Welcome to JD's Steel Auto. My name's Jeff. I hope you're all doing well. And this video's a short video is going to be a bench update on Bootleggers Ball Group Build. Presented by VCG Resins by Reese and hosted by Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella and Kyle at RKD Steelworks. This is a quick little video real quick to show you what I got done. It's not a whole lot, but we'll just head to the bench real quick and I'll show you what I got done. Okay, here at the bench, we got the frame, which I've weathered out a little bit, or quite a bit. Going to add more dirt and do some little bit more touch-ups on it. But that one's set. The radiator's grill shroud is weathered up. I still gotta paint the grill to put in here yet. And cab, which is also weathered, which still needs more weathering and more work to do. But that's about what I've gotten on that one. The hood, same way. Excuse me. I did do the emblem in bare metal foil. And I took, to me it was clear blue for the inside of it. And I plan on weathering the emblems a little bit. Tailgate, same direction, still more paint and detail paint and work to do. But that's about as far as I got with the weathering part on the bottom. And wheel wells and bed, that's all been weathered up a little bit and still got more work, detail work, and a little bit more detail painting to do. Still more weathering to do on it. Mostly dirt that's need to be added. I mean, I do have a tool pots here I started, and I got more wear and tear to do on that, which I'm going to throw inside the bed. Something like that. I'll figure it out when I get there. Get that far. I did the interior. It's like a leather brown seat. But the rest of it's same color as the tab. You know, all black. Dashboard, steering wheel, which needs to be a little bit more detailed painting. I'm thinking more of a wooden steering wheel handle here. And a lot of work went into the engine. I put two two-barrel carburetors on intake manifold. Used the original fuel pump that's back in that air with a fuel line going in. I don't know if you can see that real well. I do plan wiring it. And I do plan on wiring it like the original. So here's your distributor for the spark plugs. So the two-barrel carburetors, how they hyped up their engine back in 1934, what I've researched. So, okay, now that's what I got done so far for the Bootleggers Ball Group Build. And that'll be it for right now. I'll be right back. Okay, now that's the update on Bootleggers Ball Group Build. That's about what I've gotten. This is about as far as I've gotten so far. Okay, and I want to thank all my subscribers that subscribed, all my viewers. I appreciate every one of them. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that little bell icon for notifications. Share, like, and comment. I mean, I read every comment. I try to reply to them as soon as I can. Work's been a little crazy lately, so, but I try to read them as soon as I can and everything. So, until the next video, y'all have a good one.